Hi, my name is Burl. I'm a pharmacist with Strive Pharmacy, and today I'm going to walk you through how to properly use and store your airless pump. Each airless pump can hold up to 30 grams of medication. You can track your dosing by counting each pump, based on the instructions provided on your prescription label. Before dispensing your medication, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. To get started, remove the cap by pulling it straight up and hold the device upright. Press down firmly on the pump actuator. Each pump delivers a measured dose of 0.27 grams of medication. If the medication doesn't dispense right away, that's okay. Sometimes a small amount of air can become trapped inside the pump during shipping and manufacturing. To prime the device, press down firmly on the pump several times until you see a consistent amount of medication dispensing from the nozzle. Apply the medication directly to the affected area using your fingertip or an applicator, exactly as prescribed by your provider. Make sure the area of your skin is clean and dry before applying. Gently rub the medication into the skin until it is fully absorbed. Avoid applying the medication to broken skin, such as cuts or burns, unless your provider specifically instructs you to do so. Once you're finished, take a moment to check the nozzle of the pump. If needed, you can gently wipe it clean with a tissue or paper towel, then replace the cap securely. If any medication gets on your hands, be sure to wash them right away. Store your airless pump upright, away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight, and as always, keep it out of reach of children and pets. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions for us, please contact us at strivepharmacy.com.